Hello. Bipin, is it okay? Am I audible? Hello. Okay, we are back now. Having some technical glitch. So, welcome on this YouTube session on Defense Gyan. Today, we're going to talk about opportunities for women in armed forces. Right. So women always have been at the forefront as far as the armed forces are concerned. Yes, in a different branch as such, as far as the medical branch is concerned, we have had lieutenant generals, we have had the vice admiral, we have had air marshal in the medical branch, right? So we see here Lieutenant General Madhuri Kanitkar, who's presently a lieutenant general, and we have Surgeon Vice Admiral Punita Arora, who's since retired, and she'd also served in the army as a lieutenant general, and then switched over to Navy. Now, this is something which is uh, unique about the medical branch, right? So, as far the medical branch is concerned, you have um, they can switch. They can switch from Army, Navy, Air Force. Within this, they can always switch, right? So that is the beauty of being in that medical branch. Okay, I think there is yes. So there's always this opportunity for women in case you are from the medical branch and you want to get into the uh, armed forces as a doctor. You can either join through the AFMC at a post 12th level, or you can join as an MBBS doctor, right? So, otherwise, as far as the other branches are concerned, women have been doing well. Uh, it the journey started long back, but now it is gradually it's picking up steam, and we are finding a lot of women joining. So this is as far as the army is concerned. This is the navy, and this is the air force. Okay. So one could join Army, Navy, Air Force, or outside the armed forces, you also have an option of CAPF. We will restrict ourselves to the Army, Navy, Air Force, and today initially we will be talking mainly about the Air Force, right? So women in the Indian Army, you see here. Um, this is Captain Shergill. Yeah, she was commanding a all-male contingent from the Corps of Signals, and again here you see another lady officer participating in an international exercise. Now, there's also been a lot of interest as far as interest and of course concern whether are the women not getting permanent commission, right? So as per the latest government directive, uh, the women can get ultimately permanent commission in the Army Air Defense, in the Signals, Corps of Engineers, Army Aviation, Electronics and Mechanical Engineer, that is Corps of EME, Army Service Corps, Army Ordnance Corps, and Intelligence Corps, right? Before that, of course, Judge Advocate General Branch and Army Education Corps, they were already there. Women have been granted permanent commission here, and the other branches are still opening up. However, as far as the combat arms are concerned, um, in combat arms, we are not finding the women, right? Infantry, armored, mechanized infantry, and artillery. So, women are still yet to get into these arms. All right. Then we have Indian Navy. You know, we have had the first pilot, right? Women pilot. So she's been commissioned basically in the maritime recce segment. Then we have had all women crew which has sailed across the globe in Sagar Parikrama. Then here we are finding two air observers, right? Two lady officers as air observers. Again, you know, this is a combat role. Combat role in the sense, you know, they are posted on the ship and they would be on the helicopters or otherwise doing other duties. But once you are on board ship, of course, you are in a combat role. Opportunities for women are opening up gradually, and like we have seen over a period of time, things have improved. No, things from purely education branch and maybe another ground duties, non-technical branch, technical branch in the Air Force or Army Service Corps, Ordnance Corps. Now women can be seen in a lot of other branches as well. So you can yeah.